Ever wonder how we, and all life on Earth, came to be as we are today? The answer to this question lies in the concept of evolution. It's an idea that has shaped our understanding of the biological world, painting a picture of life as a grand, ongoing narrative. Before we had the modern scientific theories, our understanding of evolution was quite different and shrouded in mystery. In the early days, many believed in a concept known as spontaneous generation, the notion that life could just spontaneously spring from non-living matter. Others believed in divine creation, the idea that every living creature was meticulously crafted by a divine entity. These beliefs, though vastly different, share a common thread, a fascination with the origin of life. They serve as a testament to our innate curiosity about how we, and all life on Earth, came to be. From the ancient belief of spontaneous generation to the divine creation, the origin of life has always intrigued humanity. And so the journey of understanding evolution continues. The quest for understanding evolution started in earnest in the 18th century. Our journey begins with Jean-Baptiste Lamarck, a French biologist who introduced the theory of acquired characteristics in the early 1800s. He postulated that an organism can change during its lifetime in response to its environment. These changes, Lamarck proposed, are then passed on to its offspring. Picture a giraffe stretching its neck to reach higher leaves, its neck lengthening over time and each new generation inheriting a longer neck. That, in essence, was Lamarck's theory. Although later proven incorrect, it sparked conversation and was a stepping stone towards our understanding of evolution. Now, let's fast forward to the mid-19th century. Enter Charles Darwin, an English naturalist who would revolutionize the world with his theory of natural selection. Darwin's theory was quite different from Lamarck's. He suggested that organisms do not change because they want or need to, but rather, they change randomly. Some of these changes or variations are more beneficial than others, allowing the organism to survive and reproduce more effectively. Imagine a group of birds living in an area where the most abundant food is found inside hard-to-reach crevices. The birds with random variations that give them longer, sharper beaks can reach this food more easily. They survive and reproduce more, passing these advantageous traits to their offspring. Over time, a majority of the birds in this area have long, sharp beaks. This is natural selection, or as Darwin famously described it, survival of the fittest. It's not about the strongest or the fastest, but rather the best suited to their environment. Darwin's theory was groundbreaking. It changed our view of life, showing us that all species are linked in a great tree of life, continuously branching and evolving over time. These theories laid the foundation for our understanding of evolution, but they were just the beginning. With the advent of the 20th century, our understanding of evolution took a quantum leap. The 20th century brought us the modern synthesis, a pivotal moment in the history of science. It was during this era that the seemingly disparate theories of Charles Darwin and Gregor Mendel were woven together into a unified understanding of evolution. Darwin's theory of natural selection, which proposed that species evolve over time through a process of survival of the fittest, was melded with Mendel's studies on genetic inheritance. This gave birth to the field of evolutionary biology and provided a more comprehensive framework for understanding how and why species change over time. The modern synthesis bridged the gap between the macroscopic observations of Darwin and the microscopic insights of Mendel. It showed us that the traits which Darwin observed being selected for survival were actually determined by the genes that Mendel studied. This was a unifying revelation that illuminated the mechanisms behind evolutionary change. But the modern synthesis was just the beginning. The discovery of DNA in the mid-20th century provided the missing piece of the puzzle, giving us a tangible mechanism for evolution. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the genetic material that carries the instructions for all life forms. It is through the replication and mutation of DNA that new traits are introduced and passed on, driving the process of evolution. The discovery of DNA gave us a window into the microscopic world of genes, allowing us to understand how traits are inherited and how evolution operates at a molecular level. It was a paradigm shift that not only revolutionized our understanding of evolution, but also laid the foundation for the fields of genetics and genomics. The 20th century was a time of remarkable progress in our understanding of evolution. From the modern synthesis that unified Darwin's and Mendel's theories, to the discovery of DNA that provided a mechanism for evolution, Each breakthrough brought us closer to a comprehensive understanding of the intricate processes that drive the evolution of life on Earth. The discovery of DNA marked a significant milestone in our journey to comprehend evolution. As we peel back the layers of time, our understanding of evolution continues to evolve. Today, our journey through the annals of biological history has led us to a deeper, more nuanced understanding of evolution. Modern theories and research are expanding our knowledge, introducing concepts like epigenetics, which explores how environmental factors can switch genes on and off, influencing the traits passed on to future generations. We're also diving into the world of horizontal gene transfer, a process that allows organisms to share genetic material without sexual reproduction, challenging traditional ideas about the tree of life. Understanding evolution isn't a mere intellectual exercise. It has real-world implications, from designing more effective medicines to preserving biodiversity. It helps us comprehend and appreciate the interconnectedness of life, revealing the shared ancestry and common threads that weave together the rich, intricate tapestry of life on Earth. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of evolution, we get closer to understanding the intricate tapestry of life.